Hello everyone, I'm going to share a new lobang from MooMoo. Now the market has entered the bear market and we are not sure when the rebound will be coming from. Although my investment strategy is to keep investing, however, sometimes we need to keep our cash as well so we can buy the dip or we can buy the momentum when the market rebound. However, sometimes if we put our cash aside and we do not do anything, the value will be eroded by the inflation as well. For example, now the inflation is as high as 8%. So if we put our cash aside without doing anything or let them grow harder, in fact, our cash is actually decreasing its value by almost 8%. Futu MooMoo actually introduced some promotion that we can actually help to grow our cash in a much better way. This event is called Save Out for Debt and we can get out to $90 when we start the regular saving plan on MooMoo. So let's scroll down. Basically, we need to create a regular savings plan using MooMoo platform. We can set out a RSP and invest $100 each time into a fund of our choice. Later, I'll introduce a fund that I'm going to invest in. And for a limited time only, I think it's only until next week. We can enjoy additional cashback up to $90 from MooMoo. So this is a very good return. So this is the fund that I'm going to introduce later, Fullerton Cash Fund. We can see that the 7-day annualized yield is about 1.1%. This is not significant high or is very low actually. However, at least it is better than the current bank rate and it can help us to fight the inflation for a while. And do not forget that we can also get this $90 cashback, which actually means that our real return will be a lot higher. This is how we can get the reward during this promotional period. We can do a first deposit of. This is how we can eligible for the reward during this promotional period. Get rewards when we deposit $100 and more each time. And take note that the reward are only applicable to investment cycle of weekly, every 2 weeks and monthly. This means that we can deposit $100 per week or per every 2 weeks or per month. So for the first deposit of $100 weekly, every 2 weeks or monthly, we will be able to get a $10 cashback. For the second deposit of $100, we will get additional $10. Then the third one another $10, the fourth one another $10, and the fifth one is $50. So in total, right, let's say we do the $100 minimum, we just need $500 in order to qualify for the $90 reward, which brings us about 18% return. This is not bad, right? Of course, if we terminate our regular saving plan during the promotional period, we will not be able to participate in the campaign again. This is the Endowers website for the Fullerton Cash Fund, and we can see that the returns are generally low because the aim for this fund is to help our cash can grow some value if we do not invest them in the stock market at this moment. In addition, we can see that for the return is very stable all the way. For, let's say I click the maximum, yeah, we can see that the fund since 2009 it grow consistently. So this is a stable fund for our cash reserve. If we look on the allocation, the fixed income is 31% and the cash and equivalent is 78%. So this is the reason why this Fullerton Cash Fund is a very conservative and a stable fund. And the top holdings belongs to quite a number of banks. So it's quite stable as well. So just to add on, if we subscribe this fund under this program, we can redeem or sell the fund anytime without any penalty. Thus, this is really a good fund for me to invest in for my spare cash. So later, I'll be going to show a step-by-step guide on how to subscribe this cash fund. Just a quick summary. Why it's good to invest in Fullerton Cash Fund at this moment. First, we can keep our spare cash to get some value back if we are not investing them at this moment, especially during the downtrend or the bear market. Second, this promotion can give us good return, a $90 cashback with a minimum $500 of investment. Third, Floating Cash Fund is a very stable and conservative fund. It's not very volatile. Fourth, we can subscribe or sell the fund easily and immediately without any penalty using Futu MooMoo platform. Fifth, this fund is backed out by several banks, so I reckon that this is a safe fund to invest in. If you do not have any MooMoo account yet, please scan this QR code in order to sign up an account, and you can follow the step later in order to subscribe to this promotional event.